I have seen that many of you are asking how to convert um, a Word file into a PDF. So let's create a Microsoft Word document. Okay, now we're going to save it with Ctrl S. A good way to do this is using this software. It's easy. It's PDF Studio 11. You can find it on the web, and I'll put a link in the description as well where you can download it. So we have it here, and now we press on open file, go to desktop, search for Word files. Here it is, open. Here is my file, and if I save it, I can save it as, and then it will show me save as type PDF. Save, and here it is. Let's make this small. Yep, it's PDF. So you can do this easily with a CV or whatever document you need to be converted into a PDF. Why is this a good idea? Uh, Converting Word into PDF, it's a good idea because let's say if you have a CV, not all the computers that you're going to send your CV to will have the same version of Word as you. So maybe some things will not be aligned how it should be, like it will be like this, and yourself will see it normal, but it's going to be distorted on the, let's say, on the recruiter computer. So what you can do is use a PDF, because because nobody nobody can edit this. I mean, they can edit it, but when they open it, they'll see it as you see it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.